My name is Manhal Saleeby. I'm a physician anesthesiologist and a pain management specialist. I try to treat them as a whole person. I tell them it's not about a bulging disc, it's about your chronic pain. There's a lot of things that contribute. There's stress in life, there's social life. Usually chronic pain is something that will be stays with the patient for years. Usually we tell them there's no cure for chronic pain. We try to get them to where they don't rely on pain medication only. So my goal is to prevent patients from being on chronic opioids long term and get their pain controlled with other modalities. We cooperate very closely with physical therapy. We send patients to orthopedics, we send patients to neurosurgeons, so we do a multidisciplinary approach. Plus, we do several procedures, specialized procedures for pain that might help them avoid surgery, make a difference in their quality of life and their function, not just bring the pain down to a tolerable level, but make a difference. One patient said, I drove to New York for the first time in years. I was able to see my grandkids.